Email marketing. This is one that everyone thinks they do, but they don't even touch the surface. So, email marketing is a great way to stay top of mind with your current customers and subscribers and to increase your business and referrals. So, compared to direct mail newsletters, email marketing is still by far the most cost effective means of communicating with your customers. This is not sending out a newsletter e-blast. Email marketing is about setting up automations and email flows specific to where the lead prospect client is at in the journey. It's not about sending out a weekly newsletter or a monthly newsletter. It's about customizing the experience and customizing the communications for where they're at. And most businesses don't even do it, let alone understand it.